Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by gathering your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Passport key battery. This simple task is quick and easy, usually taking less than 5 minutes. Having the right battery, specifically a 3-volt CR2032, is crucial for proper function. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of your Honda Passport key. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal components. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures correct power flow. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Now, it's time to test your newly powered key fob. Go to your Honda Passport and try locking and unlocking the doors. It should work perfectly, restoring full functionality to your key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.